Hey guys, here's Louie. A quick update on my new Birdcage. So the guys finished all the gravel work. I have it all the way coming down from my house driveway to the new Birdcage driveway. I just rinsed off the cars with my boy over here, and he's standing next to his future '69 Firebird because this car was promised to him by me even since he was born. Whose car is this one? Mine. Do you know the name? Shh. This one is Laverne, so this one is Laverne and Shirley. Yep, this is Laverne, my '67 that I had since I was 22 years old, 21 years now. And this is Shirley, my '69 Firebird, original 350 AC car, power brake car, and I changed it into a 400 car with an original 400 scoop hood. And my '67 here with a Pontiac 455 that came out of a 1970 GTO. That's a Pontiac 455 with 355 posi in the back. This one has a 273 posi, which is a nice driver, cruising car, nice highway car. This one is nasty for the road. So the building that I ordered is a steel building. It should come in within 2 weeks. So the video of the building being installed should be in 2 weeks. And I got a 30 by 40. Okay, and if you guys could see that white chalk line there, basically right there is where the garage doors will be, all the way to the back. Now believe me, when I was going to make this order, when I was making the order, I kind of felt like I should have gone bigger, but I had realized that in this hobby, doesn't matter how big you go, you always will run out of space. But I did a Google search and they told me that a 30 by 40 garage will fit 3 cars, and the looks of it, I will fit 3 cars. Possibly, if I only stick to these Firebirds, which these are my loves, I could possibly even fit 4 and 4 the way I could see it now, because I still have room over there, and that's a big gap right there. I was going to pull out the white '68 and bring it out here, but I got lazy and I don't feel like cleaning it up. She's really dusty right now. But just to give you guys a quick update of the new Birdcage, so far so good. These guys did a hell of a job. All right, if you guys ever need them in the PA area, just give me send me a comment and I'll send you the business card information. And this is all the way going to the driveway over there. I'm really happy with the work. Like I said, is really a big investment, but I told myself if I don't do it now, I will never do it, because the price just keeps going up, not down. But guys, this is an update on the Birdcage, and the next work that's gonna happen on the Lovebird will be installing the rear frame rails. So stay tuned. For you guys that haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel, because the next video will be fitting in the rear frame rails, also the convertible brace on the main front floor, and from there on is my final installation for the main floor, and I'm going to burn her in. And moving forward from there, then the white '68 is going to get the vinyl headliner, is going to get the headliner installed. I have the door panels. I'm only missing the red carpet and the red vinyl for the seats. And after that, I'll be complete with this car. And also I have to restore the wheels. I almost forgot about that. The Pontiac Rally rims. But once I install the headliner and install my glass, I'm gonna take her out to the road, because that car is insured and everything. She's ready, she's legal, and she runs and drives and stops and all that good stuff. So guys, stay tuned to First Generation Garage, and you will continue seeing these birds brought back to life. Bye bye.